Meaning of dishearten.
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 Dishearten. The word dishearten means to cause someone to lose confidence or enthusiasm. It can result in a person feeling discouraged, demotivated, or dispirited about a particular situation or goal. Disheartenment can lead to a loss of passion and energy, causing someone to give up on their aspirations. It can also negatively affect mental health, leading to feelings of anxiety, stress, and depression. Overall, being disheartened can have a significant impact on both a person's emotional and physical well-being.